Hi, I'm Susan. Today is Muffin Monday and I'm making a lemonade muffin. And it's real easy to make and it sounds good. So I hope you're doing great today and I hope you'll enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1½ cups of plain flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 beaten egg, 6-ounce can of frozen lemonade, thawed, and I had to measure it from a 12-ounce can. I don't think they make 6-ounce anymore. We've got 1/4 cup of milk. We'll need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil and 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to combine my dry ingredients together in a bowl. Now in a separate bowl, I want to combine the egg with the oil and milk and 1/2 cup of lemonade. I just measure my lemonade into the other measuring cup so that I don't contaminate the lemonade that I have left over. And now I'm just measuring out my oil. I really need to invest into multiple measuring cups. After mixing the wet ingredients, you want to incorporate the wet in with the dry mixture and blend until well mixed. Once it's mixed, I'm going to fold in my nuts. I lined my muffin tins and I sprayed them. And now I'm just going to scoop into each one the batter of my lemonade muffin mix. And now I'm going to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. It only took 15 in my oven. Once done, you want to brush the hot muffin tops with the rest of your lemonade and dust it then with white sugar. You probably could use powdered sugar if you want to. I just used regular white sugar. And here they are. My husband and I loved these muffins. They were very tart, and I love that. They were moist, they were really good, and I just loved the walnuts that were in them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.